Hello class. Now let us see this 31st question. Here in this question we have given this 2 minus 3 1 4 into x is equals to 7 6. We have to find the order of matrix x. So here if you see the order of first matrix, order of this 2 1 minus 3 4, its order is 2 cross 2. Then we have x matrix x, and here we have 7 6. Now the order is 2 into 1. So when two matrices are multiplied, then column of matrix 1 will be equal to number of row of matrix 2, right? And the final matrix is, so if we say if I will say let order or better I will say that from the above relation, what we say that from above relation number of column of x is equals to 2, because number of row of this first matrix is number of column, not number of row. We should say number of row of x is 2, right? The column of this first matrix will be equal to row of this second matrix, okay? And number of rows of matrix x is equals to, now this final order 1, it represents number of row of this matrix x. So the number of row of matrix x is 1. Okay, when two matrices are multiplied, then column of first matrix is equals to row of the second matrix, and column of the second matrix is equals to column of this final matrix. So the number of column of matrix x, this is not row, this is column, number of column of matrix x is 1. So therefore order of matrix x is, now its number of row is 2, it is 2 cross 1. Okay, so I will say let x is equals to, as it is 2 cross 1, let us take this x as AB. Okay, so therefore now I have this 2 1 minus 3 4, 2 1 minus 3 4, this multiplied by AB will give you the result, we get 7 6. Okay, so here result is 7 6. Okay, so therefore this row I multiply with this column, so I will get 2a plus b, and this second row we will get minus 3a plus 4b, and my result, final result is 7 6. So therefore I will say that by equality of matrix, what we say, this 2a plus b is equals to 7, and this minus 3a plus 4b is equals to 6. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, now how we'll solve? There are two ways. Either I multiply this equation 1 by 4 and then subtract. So let us do that. Say multiply equation 1 by 4. So therefore we get 4 into 2, that is 8a plus 4b is equals to 4 7s are 28. Right? This we consider equation 3. Then we subtract equation 2 from equation 3. So subtract equation 3, subtract equation 3 from equation 2. Subtract equation 3 from equation 2. So, or better, subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Let us subtract equation 2 from equation 3. So, first we will write equation 3, which is 8a plus 4b equal to 28. Then we write this equation, which is minus 3a plus 4b, and this is equals to 6. So now I subtract. So I change the sign. This will become plus, this will become minus, and here it is minus. So 8a plus 3a is 11a, and here it is 22. So therefore we get a is equals to 22 upon 11 is equals to 2. So value of a is 2. Now put a is equals to 2 in equation. Put a is equals to 2 in equation 1. Let us put it in 1. So equation 1 is 2a plus b is 7. So 2 into a plus b is equals to 7. So 2 to the 4 plus b is 7. This gives us b is equals to 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. Okay. So value of a is 2 and value of b is 3. So therefore we say that a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. A is equals to 2 and b equal to 3. The value of a and b we got. Okay. So therefore finally we say that x is equals to 2, 3. Okay. This is our question 31. Okay. Now let us move to question number 32. Now here this 32nd question is solve the matrix equation. Now this is 2 into 1. This is 2 into 2. So this is the, for x I will say that the order of matrix x is, now column of this will be equal to row of this. So that is 1 cross, and column here it is 2, 1 cross 2. Okay. So order of matrix x is 1 cross 2. Therefore let x is equals to, I want 1 cross 2, 1 row and 2 column. So we can take it as AB. Okay. So therefore here I have 4 1 multiplied by AB, and the result we get is minus 4 8 minus 1 2. So therefore here we have 4 into a, that is 4a, then 4 into b is 4b, then 1 into a is a, then 1 into b is b. This is equal to minus 4 8 minus 1 2. So by equality of matrix, we get this 4a is equals to minus 4. This implies a is equals to minus 4 upon 4, that is minus 1. And b is equals to, or directly we can take from here, a is equals to minus 1 and b is equals to 2. So therefore matrix x, so therefore we have x as, x is equals to here a, that is minus 1 2. This is our matrix x, right? Okay. Now fatafat let us move to question number 33. So here question number 33, first part is if a and b are given, then we have to find matrix C such that AC is equals to B. So here AC is equals to B, AC is equals to B. Okay. So then what I can say, that number of rows not number of rows. First we take number of column. Okay, what we say? Number of column. No, it is right. Number of rows only. Number of rows of C is equals to number of column. So it is equals to number of column of A. Number of row of C is equals to number of column of A. So which is equal to number of column of A. So we have 2 columns, so it is 2. And similarly I will say also number of column of C is equals to number of column of B. Okay, so number of column of B, how many column B have? Only 1 column. So therefore order of C is 2 cross 1. So I will say let C is equals to, now 2 cross 1, 2 rows, so x comma y. Okay, so therefore AC, we have AC is equals to B, therefore A is 2 minus 1 minus 4 5, 2 minus 1 minus 4 5, this A and this is C, xy, AC is equals to B. Now what we have for B? For B we have minus 3 2, it is minus 3 2. Okay, so therefore here this 2 into x 2x, minus 1 into y is minus y. Here we have minus 4x plus 5y is equals to, here we have minus 3 2. So we say that therefore by equality of matrix two x minus y is equals to minus 3. This is first equation, and minus 4x plus 5y is equals to 2. This is second equation. So let us multiply equation 1 by 2 and then add. So multiply equation 1 by 2. So what we get? We get 4x minus 2y and is equals to minus 6. This is third equation. Now we add equation 2 and equation 3. So adding equation 2 and 3. So when we add 2 and 3, here it is minus 4x plus 5y is equals to 2, and equation 3 is 4x minus 2y is equals to minus 6. So let us add these two equations. 4 will cancel, and 5 minus 2 we will get 3. So 3y is equals to, we get minus 4. So therefore y is equals to minus 4 upon 3. Okay, so something is not correct. Let us check. So the problem is A is given, B is given, we have AC is equals to B. So 2 minus 1 minus 4 5 into xy is equals to, here B is minus 3 2, then 2x minus y and minus 4x plus 5y is equals to minus 3 2. So by equality we have written these two equations. Then we multiply by 2, so it becomes 4x minus 2y equal to minus 6. Then we add these two equations. So adding these two equations, 5 minus 2 will get 3, and here 6 minus 2 we get 4, so y is equals to minus 4 by 3. So everything is perfect. Okay, so we will put this value of y in equation 1. So put y equal to minus 4 by 3 in equation 1. Let us put in equation 1. What is equation 1? It is 2x minus y is minus 3. 2x minus y is minus 3. So therefore 2x is equals to y plus 3. It is y minus 3. So we get this is equals to y is already minus 4 by 3 minus 3. So it is minus 4 minus 3 is the 9 whole divided by 3 is equals to minus 13 divided by 3. So the value of 2x here, the value of 2x we get minus 13 upon 3. So therefore x is minus 13 upon 6. So therefore C is equal to we have what we assumed, C is xy, okay, vertically xy. So x is minus 13 by 6 and y is, what is the value of y? Minus 4 by 3. It is minus 4 by 3. So this is our C. Okay, now let us see the second part of this question. So here is the second part. A is given, B is given, and we have given CA is equals to B, and we have to find C. So again what we can say, that number of column of C is equals to number of rows of A, right? Number of column of C is equals to number of rows of A, which is equals to, for A how many rows we have? 2. And similarly number of rows of C is equals to number of rows of B. So number of rows, how many rows B have? 1 row. So number of rows of C is 1 and number of column of C is 2. So therefore order of C is equals to 1 cross 2. So we take x is equals to, now we have 1 row and 2 columns, so we can take x comma y. Okay, this is C is equals to, not x is equals to, this is C, right? So this is C. We say that C is equals to. So therefore C, which is xy, C into A is equals to B. So C into A, that is 2 minus 1 minus 4 5. Two minus 1 minus 4 5, it is equals to 0 minus 3. So this is 0 minus 3. Okay, so therefore here this is multiplied by this column, so we say that therefore 2x minus 4y, we have matrix 2x minus 4y, first row. Okay, so there is only one row, so no need to draw matrix too big. 2x minus 4y, this is first element, and minus x plus 5, this is second element, and here it is equal to 0 minus 3. So what we say, by again by equality of matrix, we have 2x minus 4y is equals to 0 and minus x plus 5y equal to minus 3. Okay, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now better I multiply equation 2 by 2 and then add these two equations. So multiply equation 2 by 2. So what we get? We get minus 2x plus 10y equal to minus 6. This is equation 3. Now I add equation 1 to equation 3. So add, I will say that add equation 3 to 1. So equation 3, let us first write equation 3, minus 2x plus 10y equal to minus 6, and then write equation 1, which is 2x minus 4y equal to 0. So 2x minus 4y is 0. Okay, let us add these two equations. So when we add 10y minus 4y, we get 6y, and here it is minus 6. So therefore it will give us y is equals to, sorry, here it will give us y is equals to minus 6 upon 6, that is minus 1. So the value of y is minus 1. Now I will say that put y is equals to minus 1 in equation 1. So y is equals to minus 1 we will put in the first equation. Now equation 1, what is equation 1? Okay, here only 2x minus 4y is 0. So 2x minus 4 into y is 0. So therefore we get 2x plus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore we get 2x is minus 4. So this will give us x is equals to minus 4 upon 2 is equals to minus 2. So therefore we have x is equals to minus 2, and we have y is equals to minus 1. Therefore this x comma y, or I will say the matrix C. Matrix C is x comma y. So therefore C is equals to minus 2 minus 1 x comma y. Okay. Oh, now two lengthy questions, right? Okay, so let us move to the next question. Now this 34th question, A is given, we have to find matrix B such that BA is equals to I, where I is a unit matrix of order 2. So as A is of order 2 by 2 and I is of also order 2 by 2, the order of matrix A. So here in solution we identify order of matrix B. Find matrix B. Order of matrix B is 2 cross 2. Let B is equals to, let us assume this as A, B, C, D. Okay. So therefore BA is equals to I. So BA equal to I. This will imply that, now in place of B what I will write? I will write AB CD into A. The value of A is 3 minus 4 minus 1 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1 2 equal to I. I is 1001. Yes, okay. So therefore we have this 3A minus B, 3A minus B first element. Here we have minus 4A plus 2B second element. This is 3C minus D, and this is minus 4C plus 2D. This is equals to, now here we have 1 0 0 1. Okay, so when we compare both the sides, or by equality of matrix, we will say that by equality of matrix, this 3A minus B will be equal to 1, and this minus 4a plus 2b is equals to 0. Let us say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. And similarly, what we can say that and 3c minus d is equals to 0 and minus 4c plus 2d is equals to 1. Okay, this is equation 3, this is equation 4. Okay, now we can solve equation 1 and 2 and we can solve equation 3 and 4. So for solving 1 and 2, we multiply equation 1 by 2. Okay, so multiply equation 1 by 2. So when we multiply equation 1 by 2, we get 6a minus 2b is equals to 2. Okay, this is your equation number 5. Now I will add equation 2 and equation 5. So add equation 2 and 5. So when we add this equation 2 and 5, equation 2 is minus 4a plus 2b is equals to 0. This is equation 2, and equation 5 we got 6a minus 2b is equals to plus 2. Now what we are doing, we are adding it. So when we add, this 2b and minus 2b will cancel, and here we get 2a, and here answer is 2. So therefore a is equals to 1. Now we can substitute this value in equation 1, say. So I will say put a is equals to 1 in equation 1. So equation 1, we have 3a minus b is equals to 1. 3a minus b is equals to 1. So therefore I have b is equals to, this minus b will go on right, so b will become equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. So value of b is 2. So we get value of a and value of b. Okay, important. So let us highlight this with some white border. Finally we have to take this value. Okay, a and b we got. Now we have to find value c and d. So for that, what we do, we simplify this equation 3 and 4. So let us write equation 3 and 4 somewhere here so that it will be easy for us to solve. Now what we do, we multiply equation 3 by 2. So multiply equation 3 by 2. Okay, so here we get 6c minus 2d equal to 0. So this we consider equation 6, and then we add equation 6 and 4. So when we add 6 and 4, this equation 4 is minus 4c plus 2d is equals to 1, and equation 6 is 6c minus 2d is equals to 0. So when we add, here we get 2c and here we get 1. So therefore we get c is equals to 1 by 2. Now put c is equals to 1 by 2 in equation 3. So c is equals to 1 by 2 in equation 3. 3c minus d is 0. 3c minus d is equals to 0. So therefore we get d is equals to 3 upon 2. So value of d is 3 by 2. Okay, so we got value of c and value of d. So we got everything a, b, c and d. So therefore I will say that therefore my matrix B is, so therefore B is equals to, therefore finally we have B is equals to, we have A, B, C, D. So let us put the value of A, B, C, D. First let us put the value of C and D. C and D, C is 1 by 2, D is 3 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. This is CD. And then AB, so value of A is 1 and B is 2. So value of A is 1 and B is 2. So this is our matrix B. Matrix B is 1, 2, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Okay. This is 34th question. Now let us see 35th question. Now here question number 35. We have given M given 4, 2, minus 1, 1 into M is equals to 6i. M is a matrix and I is a unit matrix of order 2 by 2. We have to state the order of M. So order of M, as this I is of order 2 by 2 and this is also of 2 by 2, we say that from given equation we get order of M is equals to 2 by 2. Now we have to find the value of M. So let us assume we say let M is equals to A, B, C and D. So therefore 4, 2, minus 1, 1, 4, 2, minus 1, 1 into matrix M, that is A, B, C, D, is equals to 6 into I, that is 1, 0 and 0, 1. This is equals to what is given, 6i. Okay. So therefore here we get 4a plus 2c, here we get 4b plus 2d, and here we have minus a plus c, and here we have minus b plus d, is equals to here we have 6, 0 and 0, 6. So by equality of matrix, that this 4a plus 2c is equals to 6, this is equation 1, and minus a plus c is equals to 0, this is equation 2. So minus a is equals to c, so therefore we get c is equals to a. Put c is equals to a in equation 1. So we get 4a plus 2a is equals to 6. So this implies a is equals to 6a is equals to 6, and this implies a is equals to 1. So value of a is equals to 1. Therefore c is equals to a is equals to 1. So value of c is also 1. Similarly 4b plus 2d is equals to 0. Similarly we have 4b plus 2d is equals to 0. What we have? 4b plus 2d is equals to 0 and minus b plus d is equals to 6. This is equation 3, and minus b plus d is equals to 6. This is equation number 4. So what we do, let us multiply this equation 4 by 2. So multiply equation 4 by 2 and add it to equation 3. So first multiply by 2. So this is minus 2b plus 2d is equals to 12. This is my equation 5, and add equation 5 and equation 3, equation 5 and 3. So equation 3 we first write, it is 4b plus 2d is 0 and minus 2b plus 2d is equal to 12. So if I subtract equation, this is add, okay, I am writing add, but here what I have to do, I have to subtract equation 5 from 3. Okay, I have to write subtract equation 5 from 3. So equation 5 I will subtract from 3. So equation number, this is equation number 5, this is equation number 3. I will subtract, so this will become plus, this will become minus, this will become minus. So 4b plus 2b is 6b, and this will cancel, and here it is minus 12. So therefore I will get b is equals to minus 12 upon 6 is equals to minus 2. So value of b is minus 2. Now I will put b is equals to minus 2 in equation number 3. Let us put in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is 4b plus 2d is 0. 4b plus 2d is equals to 0. So therefore this is minus 8 plus 2d is 0. Therefore 2d is equals to 8. Therefore d is equals to 8 upon 2 is equals to 4. Okay. So we get d is equals to 4. B is minus 2 and d is equals to 4. So therefore finally we got our answer for matrix M. Therefore M is equals to, I will say that therefore M is equals to A, B, C and D, which is equals to, now value of D we got 4, so write 4 here. Value of B we got minus 2, so write minus 2 here. Value of A and C, A is 1 and C is 1. So A and C both are 1. This is 1, this is 1. So this is my answer for M. Okay, now there is one more question. Let us do the final question. So here in the last question, B and C is given and we have to find matrix A such that AB is equals to C. Now B is 2 by 2, C is 2 by 2, therefore A is also 2 by 2. So here as, I will say that as matrix B and C have order 2 by 2, therefore matrix A also have order 2 by 2. Okay, so therefore I will say let A is equals to A, B, C, D. Okay, so therefore we have A is A, B, C, D, and the value of B is minus 4, 2, 5, minus 1. Minus 4, 2 and then 5, minus 1. 5, minus 1. This is AB. A into B is equals to, now C is 17 minus 1, 47, 13. Okay, 17 minus 1, 47 and minus 13. Okay, so therefore we multiply, we will get minus 4A plus 5B. Here we get 2A minus B. Here we have minus 4C plus 5D, and here we have 2C minus D, and this is equals to, here we have 17 minus 1, 47 minus 37. So therefore we say that by equality of matrix, we have minus 4A plus 5B, it is equals to 17, and 2A minus B, 2A minus B is equals to minus 1. Okay, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So better I multiply equation 2 by 5, or let us first write all the equations. Similarly we have minus 4C plus 5D is equals to 47, this is 3, and 2C minus D, 2C minus D is equals to minus 13. This is equation 4. So now I will multiply equation 2 by 5. Multiply equation 2 by 5. So equation 2 we multiply by 5. So we will get 5 to the 10a minus 5b is equals to minus 5. Okay. This is equation number 5. Now I add equation 1 and 5. So add equation 1 and 5. So let us add 1 and 5. 1 is minus, so when we add this 5b will cancel, this will be 6a. 6a is equals to 12. So 6a is equals to 12. So therefore a is equals to 2. Now we put a is equals to 2, put a equal to 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 is minus 4a plus 5b, or equation 2, better in equation 2. So equation 2 is 2a minus b is minus 1. 2a minus b is minus 1. So therefore 4 minus b is minus 1. So therefore minus b I will move on right. So here it will become 4 plus 1. So therefore I get b is equals to 5. So I get the value of a and b. Now we will solve this equation number 3 and 4. So here we just write equation 3 and 4, and here we multiply equation 4 by 5, or equation 4 by, let us multiply by 2. Multiply equation 4 by 2. So we get 4c minus 2d equal to minus 26. This is equation number 6. Now I add equation 3 and 6. Add equation 3 and 6. So when we add this, 4c will cancel, and this 5d minus 2d will become 3d, and this equal to, here we add, so we get 4 minus 2 is 2, so it is 21. So therefore we get d is equals to 7. Now value of d is 7. Now put d is 7 in equation 4. So put d is equals to 7 in equation 4. So 2c minus d. So 2c minus d is equals to, 2c minus d is equals to minus 13. So therefore 2c minus 7 equal to minus 13. Therefore we have 2c is equals to minus 13 plus 7 is equals to, here we have minus 6. So therefore c is equals to minus 6 divided by 2 is equals to minus 3. So we got the value of a, b, c and d. So therefore we have, now what we have to find, matrix A. A is ABCD. So matrix A, which is A, B, C and D. So this is equals to, value of C we got minus 3, value of D we got 7, value of A and B, so B is 5 and A is 2. So this is 2 and 5, A is 2. So this is our matrix A. So this is how we can find the value of ABCD. So nothing, we should know the multiplication of matrix, and we should know how to solve the linear equation. That is how we can solve this particular problem, right? Okay. So thank you for being with me. If you have any query or question, okay, just write in message box or in comment. I will try to reply it. Thank you.